It's strawberry season. This is my most favorite time of the year. I love strawberries. I love making my jams, my jellies. I love making pies, and I'm going to show you how to make an easy strawberry pie for any kind of family gathering, church event. So simple to make. So come along and let me show you what I've got going on. I just went to the ranch market and I purchased 2 pallets of strawberries, meaning 16 of these containers. 1 pallet, 8 containers, $2.50. So for $5, I got 16 containers. Check this out. So this is the deal of the day. You get a case of strawberries and for $2.50. I love this time of year. Strawberries, I can make strawberry jam. I can put it up for the next couple years. And I'm going to show you how to make an easy strawberry pie using Jello. So I'm simply just going to cut the tops off of my strawberries and I'm just going to put them in slices. Now you can do whatever you want to do for your pie. I just do it simple slices. Because when you go to cut into the pie, if you have too big of a piece, the pie's not going to cut that easily. So that's what I do. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut up, and then I'll show you the next step. Our strawberry pie is completely done, and I'm not done yet. I'm going to make some homemade whipped cream. So come along as I do that for the top. So homemade whipped cream is so easy to do. You just use 3 simple ingredients. We've got whipping cream, and we're going to go ahead and get this started. We want a medium speed going here. So you have whipped cream, and that was 1 pint. And then your sugar that you add, you can either add powdered sugar or granulated sugar. I do powdered sugar because I like how it breaks down. And we're going to just do that to taste. And then the next ingredient is vanilla. This is my homemade vanilla that I'm going to add to this. If you're interested in a recipe, I'll leave that link below. Let's slow this down a little bit. And I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of homemade vanilla. And then go ahead and get this speed up. So what you want to do is on your bowl when you're making whipped cream, you want your bowl to be extremely cold. Now I don't put mine in the refrigerator. I actually put ice water in mine, and then I just take it and I dry it out, pour it out, dry it out. You can see how quick that was to make. So I just tried it, and I'm going to put 2 more teaspoons, heaping teaspoons of powdered sugar in. It wasn't sweet enough for me.
Perfect. You know, the best thing about the strawberry pie recipe is you can change it up. You could do the cherry, you can do blueberry, blackberry, peach. It's just so simple to do. And I do this for a lot of different events when I have to bring a lot of different pies because they're so easy to make. And if you don't want to have to sit there and make the pie crust, or you don't know how to make a pie crust, just go purchase one at the store. I make them. I've got it down pat how I make them, and so it's just easy as a snap for me to make my own crust. But so simple. Making your own whipped cream. You literally know what's going in your whipped cream. 3 ingredients: heavy whipping cream, vanilla. If you want to see how to make vanilla, I've got a video to show you how to do that. All no preservatives, all 100% your ingredients. And powdered sugar. How simple is that? 3 ingredients to make your own whipped cream, no preservatives, and it tastes homemade. I've already cut into this pie because I gave my friend a piece. She tried it already. Get our pie here. Sneak a taste. Our homemade whipped cream. I know this is so yummy. I've made them so many times, and I've had this recipe for probably 25 years now. So good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. Have a blessed day.